Chicken teriyaki sandwich. Ingredients: 4 blueberry bagels, 400 chicken breasts, 4 sheets of lettuce, half a tomato, 1 green pepper, 1 onion, whole pepper, a small amount of chicory, cooking oil and butter, teriyaki sauce for chicken seasoning, 5 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons rice wine, 2 tablespoons sugar, a half teaspoon ginger juice, a half teaspoon lemon juice, a dash of vinegar, 4 tablespoons mustard sauce, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. Instruction: slice the chicken breast into thick pieces. Season evenly with teriyaki sauce and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Slice the onions into rounds and soak them in cold water. Remove seeds from the green pepper and slice it into rounds. Cut the tomatoes into rounds, soak the lettuce and chicory in cold water. Gently unwrap them by hand. Wrap them in a cotton cloth and press them down. Grease a pan with cooking oil and cook the chicken breast over high heat. Once the outside is cooked, reduce the heat and cook through to the inside. Slice the bagels horizontally and lightly toast them with butter. Spread the sauce evenly on the insides. Assemble the sandwich by layering lettuce, chicory, onion, bell pepper, tomato, and chicken breast on the bagel. Sprinkle freshly ground pepper and cover with the other half of the bagel.